Hello, my name's Ian. I'm a driving instructor, and I read that approximately a third of collisions are within 1 mile of your house, and approximately 2/3 of collisions are within 5 miles of your house. So why do you think that is, Daniel?
I think the reason why that is because people might have become quite familiar with their uh, home place or the surrounding area of that place, and this can lead to a false sense of confidence, which confidence I wouldn't argue that confidence is a bad thing. No, confidence is a good thing, but it it can lead to people being careless and a little bit less risk adverse.
Yeah.
This can lead them to doing, dumb things.
And also if they know the area quite well and it's always quiet, how would that, do you think they might always think it's quiet? Do you think there's a risk that might happen?
Yes, I do think there might be a risk of that happening. That you would expect, a road that you would know well enough that, it would most likely be quiet at this time on this day, and then it might not be, and like a car would come around the corner and jump scare you.
Yeah, well done. That's good. Yeah, you're absolutely right. So spot on. So here we are on the very close to a place called Thrapston, which is where the A605 and the A14 join. So it's about 15, 16 miles from home, from our home in Orton Goldhay. And I tend to stop here when I'm coming from the west and I'm tired. So from Birmingham, NEC, from Stoneleigh, I'll come over here and I'll just sleep for 20 minutes. For 20 minutes, I won't go into a deep sleep. It will just be a sleep, and then how do you think how do you think that's going to make me safer getting back to Orton Goldhay, which is about 15, 16 miles away?
I mean, I would assume that it would give you more energy and allow you to focus more. Like, you've got that time of reflection. I mean, just to wind down a bit, to regain your focus level so that you could just go, right, I'm now heading home, and I'm just going to pay attention.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so that I'm focused and that so I've got that fresh look. So I'm not just trying to get home. I'm trying to get maybe a little bit beyond that, so that I'm focused and alert right up until I park the car.